Good morning, students. In this video, we will solve some problems based on single line diagram. Very important. Theory they'll not ask in your examination. Only problems they'll ask. These problems and all compulsory in your examination. There is no choice, particularly in your question paper also. Because part A, part B in your question paper, part A completely winding diagrams and single line diagram. Part B completely sectional view and front elevation, back elevation of DC machine, AC machine, transformer. Okay, so single diagram is compulsory. So you have to draw one diagram in your examination, compulsory for all the students. This subject comes under 6th semester 18E643 professional elective. Okay, so single line diagram very important. We'll start the problems now. The first problem. So draw the one line diagram of a substation having the following equipment. They are given all the components, right? Incoming lines 2. I'll just draw incoming lines 2 now. Okay. I'll just draw, okay, here. I'll just draw here. Not this one. Not this one. This one, okay. So incoming lines, okay, 1 minute. So I'll just read the question, afterwards I'll draw the diagram, okay. So draw the single line diagram of a generating substation having following main equipments. So previously I read, right, that is already I have done the problem, but first we'll do the problem, and then after that we'll revise that by using that problem, right? So draw the single line diagram of a generator megawatts, 11 kilovolts, 3 phase and star connected, 50 hertz. See here, alternator 5 in the sense what? So definitely 5 generating station, 5 units of generation. Best example, BTPS Ballari Thermal Power Plant. In the Ballari Thermal Power Plant, we are having 3, 4, 5, 6 divisions. Each divisions we are generating power, right? So alternator we are having a 5 in the sense 5 generating stations which generates 5 power supplies, right? I'll just draw the diagram. Okay, I just one line I'll draw. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each carries generating station, alternator, right? So step up transformers of 500 megawatt, 11 bar 220 kilovolts, delta to star 3 phase 50 hours. So definitely there is a transformer here, here on transformer, here on transformer, here on transformer, here on transformer, here on all the 5 lines carries 5 transformers, right? So and step up transformers over, and buses 220 kV one, double bus with a bus coupler. So double bus bar we want, right? See, double bus bars, right? Double bus bar like this. So double bus bar with a bus coupler. Bus coupler will draw. One bus on a bus, there is a bus coupler. And outgoing lines 5 220 kilovolts. Okay, from the outgoing lines 220 kilovolts we are having 5 outgoing lines, and station auxiliary transformer 2 5 MVA 11 kilovolts bar 400, and delta star 3 phase 50 hertz, and show the position of CTs and PDs, isolating switches, lighting arrestor, circuit breaker. Okay, I'll just draw a clear diagram for this particular problem. Okay, I'll just use only one line. Okay, for your understanding purpose, only one line. See, 5 lines are there. Okay, I mean 5 incoming lines, and there is a buses double bus bar. This is 11 kilovolts. Okay, 11 kilovolts, and see the question properly. So draw the single line diagram, generating substation having a following main equipments. Alternator 5 in the sense incoming lines, I mean input is 500 MVA, 11 kilovolts, 11 kV. Okay, three phase star connected 50 hertz transformer. So 11 kV, there is a transformer like generating stations, and step transformer 5. So 11 kilovolts to 220, and bus bar 220 kV, double bus bar with a bus coupler. Okay, outgoing lines from the 20 kV is 5. Okay, I'll just draw the diagram now. Okay, again. Okay, but first you understand the concept. I mean, understand the problem first. See, 5 incoming lines, 5 alternator we are using. So this one is 11 kV. Okay, from here to here 11 kV to 220. Okay, here to here 5 will be there, 220, and outgoing lines also 5. And one there is a auxiliary transformer, auxiliary 11 kV to this one 400. Okay, likewise we need to draw the diagram with a particular electrical power system components. Okay, next problem we'll see. Okay, draw the one line diagram of a substation having the following equipments. Incoming lines 2 incoming lines must be there. See here 2 incoming lines. Okay, and outgoing lines 5 will be there, outgoing lines. I have not mentioned any bus bars. Okay, and bus bar 220 kV double bus bar, 66 kV double bus, 11 kV bus, 11 kV single bus, right? Outgoing lines from the 11 kilovolts, right? And double bus bars are okay. 5 outgoing lines 60 kV, 1 11 kV. So this one is 66 kV to assume, and another is 11 kV is there. 11 kV. I mean 222. So 220 kV this one. Okay, and 66 is here to here 66 kV, and after that again 66 kV to 11 kV is here. Okay, like this. Okay, 3 winding transformer to like 100 MVA, 220, 66 bar, 11 kilovolts, 3 phase, auxiliary transformer 1, 5 MVA, 11 kVA bar 400, 3 phase, wave trap, coupling condenser, earth switches at incoming lines, show the position of CTs, PTs, disconnecting switches, lighting arrestor, circuit breakers, right? See the diagram. I told you right already. Okay. Okay. See, this is incoming lines 2, and bus coupler is present. Okay, and this is a double bus bar 220 kV, incoming lines 2, 220 kV bus bar, and this is 66 kV. Okay, and I mentioned auxiliary like a substation, what they mentioned, 220 bar 66 bar 11 kilovolts. So here only 220 66 one side, here 220 coming, 266 here 11 kilovolts, right? Then it is fine. Correct question. So I thought I directly have taken 66 kV from 66 kV to 11 kV, right? So I just inserted, keep it in your mind, I just inserted into the 66 kV bus bar, but here they mentioned 220 bar, 66 bar, 11 kV. So definitely you have to draw diagrams like this. Don't confuse, okay? So like this you have to draw. I have taken here itself, okay? Because 66 6 kV to 11 kV, right? So I have taken here, but here they mentioned 220 bar, 66 bar, 11 kV. You have to draw like this, okay? This is 400 volts bus substation. See, they mentioned lightning arrestor, wave trap, earth switches, CT, PT, isolators, everything they mentioned. This is the one you draw in your computer. Just you copy paste here, you'll get it. One you draw this one, copy paste here. One you draw this one, copy paste all five or array. So directly you'll get it. Okay. Thank you so much. Next we'll solve another problem.